I stare at the screen.
Ah, another day, another perfectly clean
What does it
beaker.
all mean? Seeds I
Whoa!
sow.
What's this shiny bit?
Keyboard sings a brand new song.
Intriguing. It seems to resonate with the very air around it.
The sound.
Let's make our own.
New crystals found.
Imagine the sounds we could capture.
Logic unfurls.
It seems a delicate balance of resonance and specific minerals.
World is second chance.
This shimmery dust looks promising. Or maybe this glowing goo.
Code symphony.
Almost ready for the big moment.
The sound. Code symphony. New crystals
A
found.
promising vibration, but no melody.
Just a little
I stare at the screen.
extra sparkle.
Universe
Maybe it just needs a good scrub.
What does it all mean? Seeds I've sown. The keyboard
Perhaps we're missing the core frequency.
The crystal needs a voice. Look,
Code
this moss
symphony.
practically sings when you touch it.
Can you hear the sound?
This blade dust feels powerful.
New crystals found. The logic unfurls in a digital
dear.
dance.
A bit brassy, wouldn't you say?
We're close. I can feel it. It just needs
The
a kick.
circuits hum a sweet
Wait.
refrain.
What if the sound creates the crystal instead of the other way around?
Louder, then
Can
full
you
power.
hear the sound? Code symphony. New crystals found.
Perhaps a consistent, resonant input is what we need.
A universe unknown. What does it all mean?
It's
Seeds
working!
I've
It's actually
sown.
working!
The keyboard sings.
Did it
a
just
brand new song.
make barnyard
Code
noises?
symphony.
It heard the farm animals on the radio last night.
Code symphony. New crystals found.
Perhaps a more personal
Logic
touch.
unfurls in the digital dance. A brand new world is
It's a Liam.
second chance.
A bit wobbly, but it's perfect.
A sweet refrain. Code
The resonance here is quite pronounced.
Can you hear the sound?
Hear ye, hear ye, the crystal of triumph.
Found.
This one sounds like pure joy.
I stare at the
Every
screen.
sound makes a different shape. Who
Universe
knew?
unknown. What does it all mean?
Our very own silly symphony.
I've sown. The keyboard sings
A truly magnificent racket.
Code symphony.
Who knew science could be so delightfully
Code
noisy?
symphony.
What an absolutely marvelous day for an adventure, wouldn't you say?
Always ready to brush up on a good time. Did you two hear that?
So afraid.
Hear what, dear Liam?
Hiding
Just the usual foresty.
It's a gentle sparkle, yet it feels a little afraid.
Liam comes near. No more
A little crystal creature.
Oh my!
Sprite, sprite.
It's very frightened. Let's give it some space.
Liam's here, try your eyes.
Don't be shy, little one. No need to hide from a hero.
It's alright. Liam's here, hold on tight.
It's too scared for quick movements, Olivia. It needs a softer touch.
Liam smiled, soft
Sometimes
and kind,
the quietest presence is
reaching
the
out
loudest comfort.
across the mile.
A quiet approach. I suppose I can manage that.
Find harp shimmer light.
A soft place to rest if you need it. No pressure.
Trust blooming bright. Everything's right.
It's all right. Take your time.
touch of magic.
Hello there, little one. You're safe now.
Look at it. So peaceful and bright now.
You really scrubbed away its worries, Liam.
Hiding from the world.
It simply needed a little understanding.
Little one in the shade.
A gift. A shimmering, wonderful gift. A small comfort for a great friend.
Sprite, Sprite, don't you cry. Liam's here dry.
Sometimes the quietest heart makes the most profound connection.
Sprite.